The Commonwealth of Learning is an intergovernmental organization which was set up by Commonwealth heads of government when they met in Vancouver in 1987. And we've been there for the last 25 years. We are very grateful to the Government of Canada for hosting us. And we're also very grateful to CEDA for its continued financial and intellectual support. Our mission is to help Commonwealth member states, and there are 54 of them around the world, to expand access to learning opportunities for their citizens. And we do this using distance education and appropriate technologies. So this is how we try to strengthen secondary schools, higher education institutions, teacher training institutions, so that there is increased capacity in the country itself to strengthen the systems so that more and more citizens have access to opportunities for education in the formal sector. In addition, many developing countries face problems of poverty, food insecurity, health, especially mother and child health. So we use various technologies to accelerate progress towards achieving these development goals, such as mother and child health. We use community radio to reach out to remote rural communities in Malawi and involve the communities themselves to develop programs which will help them adopt better behaviors so that child and mother mortality can be reduced. Canada is a leader in distance education. It's had, the Tele University, the Quebec, Athabasca University. It's a leader in technologies. And because we work in these two areas, distance education and technologies, we're able to bring a lot of the Canadian expertise to developing countries. We also work at the level of institutional partners within Canada. For example, we work with Athabasca University. We've instituted a chair on open education resources at Athabasca, and we've given them a course on legislative drafting, which they're offering online globally. We worked with the University of British Columbia to develop a computer mobile interface called Lives, which is learning interactive voice education system, which is meant particularly for remote rural communities who can learn using this technology platform in their own languages with basic cell phones. So this technology was developed with the University of British Columbia. There are any number of examples of our partnership with various Canadian institutions. And then at another level, we have partnerships with Canadian individuals, experts who provide, training and capacity development in different countries in the Commonwealth. Well, CEDA is a major donor, so many of the initiatives that we actually are implementing are funded by CEDA, and we are very grateful for that. More recently, however, CEDA has allocated funds for our Lifelong Learning for Farmers project. This actually, and we have studies to prove it, takes farmers out of poverty towards prosperity. And by sharing their resources and expertise with other Commonwealth member states who are not so well endowed, Canadians will be actually contributing to economic progress, food security, and better health for more global and inclusive development.